Besides scope, position in the organization's portfolio also affects the success of digital transformation project. Transformation involves cultural change and affects business activities next to our starting point. Therefore, we need more than a single project to transform an organization. We start somewhere, but we need a program of interrelated projects to finish. Change in transformation are fundamental. Deep changes in organizations need strong executive support. Transformation projects are strategic or destined to fail. So digital transformation is a strategic initiative. What does this mean? First, we cannot transform with below-the-radar, low-budget stealth projects. The initiative and all projects on the roadmap must have clear champions and committed executive support. Second, the CIO must be engaged in setting direction and driving progress. Once business leaders recognize the benefits of transformation and initiate the change, the CIO needs to take the lead. To explore solutions, clarify interdependencies, demonstrate integrated platform benefits, generate and analyze alternative paths are all CIO responsibilities. Third, transformation champions must build a winning coalition. They must engage stakeholders, convince skeptical leaders, and make stakes clear. It's key to share the story with members of the organization. Leaders should tell them what is and what could be. Transformation projects are strategic because they involve cultural change. No organization can survive with two cultures, so transformation cannot be partial or it will not last. When culture changes, it destabilizes the organization. We cannot change without this creative destruction. So destabilization is not a problem until we stop. But incomplete transformation either rolls back or leads to chaos. Repeat the cycle and chaos becomes an acronym in your organization. An acronym for CIO or CEO has another outstanding solution. If you do not treat transformation as a strategic initiative, if you downplay transformation projects, you end up with failed projects and undermined credibility in change. When members see that the organization tries but cannot change, they may lose faith in its future. There are different ways to start digital transformation. Top-down approach starts with a strategy and a roadmap. The initiative becomes a formal program in the organizational portfolio with a governing body, sponsor, program manager, plans, and all the bells and whistles of programs in the organizational portfolio. Often, transformation starts in a corner of the organization with a strong case and ambitious and competent team. If this limited transformation project addresses an important pain point of the organization, it may gain momentum and act like a snowball triggering an avalanche. But the case must be strong enough to activate and maintain committed top-level support throughout the project and beyond. So we can start transformation with distinct cases, also serving as learning opportunities. But we need committed executive support and develop a full-fledged digital transformation strategy later down the road. We can start digital transformation in various ways, but there is only one way to end it: total transformation. Partial transformation will not last. When you transform one business activity but you stop, you create an efficient island in the organization, act with better tools. An efficient island in a traditional sea cannot contribute to overall results. It completes its task fast and waits for others. The only way to realize some benefit from such an island is making it lean enough to other units being able to keep pace. How you make a unit lean? You reduce its headcount. A more efficient unit will cope with its task with a smaller headcount, and you eliminate slack, but there are consequences. With this solution, you punish your best team for the achievement and send a powerful negative message to the entire organization. So your only option is to go forward until you transform the entire organization. Digital transformation belongs to the strategic level in a project portfolio. Once we start transformation, we cannot stop before transforming the entire organization. The process is complex and fundamental. It requires committed support from top management and the mobilization of entire organization. Change is a crucial component of this strategic endeavor. We look at managing change in the next section.